Hey tech savvy pals, welcome back to our channel where we serve up the juiciest slices of tech goodness. Today we have a scrumptious treat for you. Get ready to sink your teeth into the latest scoop from Fairphone. They are back with a new serving of sustainable awesomeness, the Fairphone 5. So grab your eco-friendly popcorn and let's dig into the delicious details. Now before we get into the specifics, let's remind you why Fairphone has gained such a loyal following. Fairphone is renowned for its commitment to minimizing the use of conflict minerals, striving for maximum environmental sustainability. They have been making waves in the industry for their ethical practices and dedication to fair manufacturing. Recently, the Fairphone 5, codenamed FP5, made its appearance on the Geekbench benchmark website, giving us a glimpse into its potential. The device achieved an impressive single-core score of 1131 points and a multi-core score of 2985 points in the Geekbench 6 benchmark test. That's quite impressive. The Fairphone 5 will be equipped with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and this SoC features a 1 plus 3 plus 4 core configuration with a peak frequency of 2.71 GHz. And to handle all your graphics related tasks, the Fairphone 5 will boast an Adreno 643 GPU. We are expecting a smooth and seamless performance from this combination. While we can't confirm the exact processor model based solely on the Geekbench listing, rumors suggest it might be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G. However, we will have to wait for more information from other certification websites to confirm this. It's important to stay cautious when relying solely on benchmark listings, as they can sometimes be falsified. Moving on, let's talk memory. The Fairphone 5 will come with a generous 8 GB of RAM. For comparison, the current Fairphone 4 offers memory configurations of 6 and 8 GB, so it's safe to assume that the Fairphone 5 might also provide other memory options to cater to different user preferences. And now for all you Android enthusiasts out there, get ready to embrace the latest software. The Fairphone 5 will come out of the box with Android 13, the newest version of our beloved operating system. Fairphone has a track record of delivering software updates and long-term support, as seen with the recent update of the Fairphone 3 to Android 13. So we can expect a similar commitment to software support for the Fairphone 5. In conclusion, the Fairphone 5 is generating quite the buzz, and for all the good reasons. With its commitment to sustainability, ethical manufacturing, and impressive specifications, it's sure to capture the hearts of tech enthusiasts and eco-warriors alike. We can't wait to see what other surprises Fairphone has in store for us with this device. And that's all for today's video folks. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tech news. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology. Bye.